Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn anatomy for manga. Start by studying basic human proportions, like the head-to-body ratio, to create balanced figures. Then, simplify the body into spheres, cylinders, and cubes to build a solid foundation. Pay close attention to major skeletal points and muscle groups, as these define the character's form and movement. This approach helps you draw expressive and believable manga characters. Once you grasp the basics, learn to stylize anatomy for manga. This means exaggerating certain features, like eyes or hands, to convey emotion and personality. Adapt realistic anatomical knowledge to fit the unique aesthetics of manga, often involving smoother lines and less detailed musculature. Regularly practice drawing simplified muscle groups and joints to maintain anatomical accuracy while embracing the manga style. To bring your manga characters to life, focus on dynamic poses and movement. Practice gesture drawing to quickly capture the essence of a pose and its flow. Understand how weight distribution affects balance, ensuring your characters stand or move believably. Incorporate action lines to guide the viewer's eye and emphasize the energy and direction of your character's movements, making them feel alive. Consistent practice is crucial for mastering manga anatomy. Dedicate time to regularly sketch from life, observing real human forms, and use high-quality reference photos. Explore various online tutorials and specialized anatomy books designed for artists to deepen your understanding. Remember to check the description for a link to the Echo Dot smart speaker and other great deals to enhance your creative environment. Keep drawing and experimenting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.